Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Ocho Rios. We are driving from Miami Bay into Ocho Rios. Now this is a very important route because Ocho Rios is a major tourist town in Jamaica. But along this route from Miami Bay to Ocho Rios, we're going to pass the three most popular tourist attractions in Jamaica: Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, and Duns River Falls. Duns River Falls is actually number one, and Dolphin Cove is number two as the most visited attractions in Jamaica. Now, this section of the road has plans. They have plans to expand it to 4 lanes, and that's Pearly Beach on the left, a very popular beach. They had a party there once, and people started to block the road, parking where they're not supposed to park, and the road ended up getting blocked for hours. And ever since that incident, they have been talking about expanding this road to 4 lanes. And Ocho Rios is a major tourist town. It's probably the third or the second largest tourist town in Jamaica. A lot of hotels, very popular destination. Coming up on the right now is where you have Duns River Falls, and the falls actually go underneath the roadway right here. And then coming up on the left, you're going to see some cars parked in the road. That is Dolphin Cove, and coming up on the right is the entrance to Duns River Falls. Alright guys, enjoy the tour as we drive into the town of Ocho Rios. And there's been a lot of talk about Ocho Rios becoming a city, because Ocho Rios management of Ocho Rios now falls under the Saint and Municipal Corporation. However, Ocho Rios is so important to Jamaica and the tourism product that there are some calls for Ocho Rios to become a city, so that they would manage their own affairs independently of the Saint and Municipal Corporation. So hopefully that will get done soon. There is a similar call for Negril to also become a city. For the same reason, it's a major tourist town and it needs to have more input into the operations of the town. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.